Keep your teeth and gums healthy with one of the best electric toothbrushes on the market. Here are our top 5 picks right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our top picks we've compiled for you. Number 5. Philips Sonicare 4100 Power. Firstly, it has the ability to remove up to 7 times more plaque compared to manual toothbrushes. This ensures that your teeth are much cleaner and healthier. Additionally, it features a battery indicator light, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. The Philips Sonicare 4100's pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings protect your sensitive gums from overbrushing. This feature is especially beneficial for those with sensitive gums. You can optimize your brushing habits with the quad pacer timer, which reminds you to change the brushing area every 30 seconds and ensures the dentist recommended 2-minute brushing time. This way, you can achieve a balanced and effective clean every time. The brush head replacement reminder ensures that your brush head is always effective. This reminder notifies you when it's time to replace the brush head, allowing you to maintain consistently high performance. With long battery life, one charge lasts for 2 weeks, and the battery light indicates when it's time to recharge, making it convenient even for travel. I highly recommend trying this product. Elevate your oral care routine with the Philips Sonicare 4100. Number 4. Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable. It can remove up to 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to manual toothbrushes. This is a great advantage for keeping your teeth healthier and cleaner. To protect your gum health, it uses a round brush head technology inspired by dentists. One of my favorite features of the Oral-B Pro 1000 is the Sensi cleaning mode and gum pressure control. If you brush too hard, it automatically stops the pulsations to protect your gums. This way, you can gently clean your teeth and avoid gum damage. The 3 easy-to-use cleaning modes and the handle-integrated timer, which reminds you to change the brushing area every 30 seconds, ensure maximum cleaning performance. This helps you achieve a balanced clean every time. Additionally, Oral-B offers various brush heads to suit your different cleaning needs, such as deep cleaning, gentle cleaning, or whitening. The round brush heads reach areas that rectangular manual brushes cannot, providing a better cleaning experience. It's reassuring to know that Oral-B is the brand most preferred by dentists. This toothbrush has a durable, long-lasting battery with an LED charge indicator that shows when you need to recharge, offering great convenience. Finally, you don't need to worry about switching to Oral-B electric toothbrushes because they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. I highly recommend trying this product. Elevate your oral care routine with the Oral-B Pro 1000. Number 3. Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Gum Health. Firstly, it has the ability to improve your gum health by up to 100% compared to manual toothbrushes. This brush gently and safely cleans your gums, keeping them healthy. The brush's pressure sensor lightly vibrates to alert you when you're brushing too hard, helping to protect your teeth. This feature is particularly useful in preventing damage from overbrushing. A reminder indicator ensures you always know when to replace the brush head, maintaining effective cleaning. Its slim and ergonomic design makes it very comfortable to use. There are 3 different modes for a personalized brushing experience: clean, white, and gum care, allowing you to choose the mode that fits your needs. It also supports a voltage range of 110–220 V, making it easy to use worldwide. The quad pacer timer helps you optimize your oral care by ensuring the dentist-recommended 2-minute brushing time and reminding you to change the brushing area every 30 seconds. This ensures a balanced and effective clean every time. Number 2. Oral-B Pro 5000 Smartseries Power. Designed to protect your teeth and gums in the best possible way, this brush will completely transform your dental cleaning routine. With Bluetooth communication, you can track your brushing habits in real time and receive feedback. This feature helps you optimize your oral care. The 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up and remove plaque along the gum line more effectively than a manual toothbrush. This is a major advantage for your oral health. The brush's pressure sensor alerts you with a light on both the brush and your smartphone if you brush too hard, helping to protect your teeth and gums. Additionally, there are 5 different modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean, so you can choose the mode that suits your needs. To maintain the rechargeable battery's maximum capacity, it's recommended to unplug the charging unit and fully discharge the handle every 6 months. This will help extend the battery life. The package also includes a travel case and a charger, making it convenient to use even when you're on the go. Number 1. Oral-B iO Deep Clean. At the top of our list, meet Oral-B's most advanced technology and elevate your oral health to the highest level. The iO pressure sensor helps protect your teeth and gums by alerting you if you're applying the perfect pressure, ensuring an effective and safe clean. With the iO Light Ring Timer, celebrate the dentist-recommended 2-minute brushing time and maximize your cleaning. The brush head replacement alert ensures you always have an effective clean. To personalize your brushing experience, it offers 3 different modes: daily clean, sensitive, and whitening. Choose the one that fits your needs to get the best results. The round brush heads reach areas that rectangular manual brushes cannot, providing the best clean. It's reassuring to know that Oral-B is the brand most preferred by dentists. The lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting use, so you can enjoy hassle-free brushing without worrying about frequent recharging. If you liked the product, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.